Our planet teems with life. Everywhere you look, from the smallest blade of grass to the tallest tree, life is thriving. The diversity of life forms is astounding, each species playing a unique role in the grand tapestry of nature, from the highest mountains to the deepest oceans. Life finds a way. In the harshest environments where one might think life couldn't possibly exist, it flourishes. High up in the mountains, where the air is thin and the temperatures are freezing, you can find hardy plants and animals adapted to these extreme conditions. In the depths of the oceans, where sunlight never penetrates, strange and wonderful creatures make their home. But this life isn't randomly scattered. It's organized into complex, interconnected communities called ecosystems. Each ecosystem is a world within itself, with its own unique set of rules and relationships. Deserts, forests, wetlands, and oceans. Each of these habitats supports a different array of life forms, all intricately linked in a delicate balance. An ecosystem is like a city, bustling with different inhabitants, each with a role to play. Imagine a forest. In this vibrant community, every plant and animal has a job. Some are producers, like the trees and plants that convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. Others are consumers, like the deer that feed on the plants, and the predators that hunt the deer. And then there are the decomposers like fungi and bacteria that break down dead matter and recycle nutrients back into the soil. Towering trees reach for the sky, sunlight dappling the forest floor. These trees are the giants of the forest, providing shelter and food for countless other organisms. Their leaves capture sunlight, creating energy that fuels the entire ecosystem. The forest canopy is a world of its own, home to birds, insects, and even some mammals. Deer graze peacefully, while squirrels scamper among the branches. These animals are part of the forest's intricate web of life. The deer feed on the plants, helping to keep the vegetation in check. The squirrels gather nuts and seeds, some of which they bury and forget, allowing new plants to grow. Insects buzz, birds sing, and unseen creatures stir beneath the fallen leaves. The forest floor is teeming with life, from tiny insects to small mammals. These creatures play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter, returning nutrients to the soil, and supporting the growth of new plants. This is an ecosystem, a community of living organisms interacting with each other and their physical environment. Each member of this community, no matter how small, has an important role to play. Together they create a balanced and sustainable system, where every action has a ripple effect. Understanding these connections helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of the natural world and reminds us of our responsibility to protect and preserve these precious ecosystems for future generations. This balance is maintained through a complex web of relationships. Plants capture sunlight and convert it into energy, forming the basis of the food chain. Herbivores graze on plants, passing energy upwards to carnivores. Decomposers break down dead matter, returning nutrients to the soil to nourish new life. This intricate dance of life is essential for the health of our planet. Ecosystems regulate our climate, purify our air and water, and provide us with food and resources. They are the foundation upon which all life, including our own, depends. Just as no two cities are alike, Earth boasts a stunning array of ecosystems, each with its own unique character and inhabitants. From bustling urban centers to serene rural landscapes, the diversity of our planet is truly remarkable. Each city, town, and village has its own unique charm, shaped by the culture, history, and people who live there. Similarly, the natural world is filled with a variety of ecosystems, each with its own distinct features and inhabitants. From the icy plains of the Arctic to the steamy jungles of the Amazon, our planet pulsates with a diversity of life more incredible than any work of fiction. The Arctic, with its vast expanses of ice and snow, is home to polar bears, seals, and a variety of other wildlife that have adapted to the harsh conditions. In contrast, the Amazon rainforest is a lush, green paradise teeming with life, from the towering trees that form its canopy to the countless species of animals and plants that call it home. These ecosystems can be broadly categorized into two types, terrestrial and aquatic. Terrestrial ecosystems include forests, deserts, grasslands, and tundras, each with its own unique climate and inhabitants. Forests, for example, are home to a wide variety of trees, plants, and animals, while deserts are characterized by their arid conditions and specialized flora and fauna. Aquatic ecosystems, on the other hand, include oceans, rivers, lakes, and wetlands, each with its own unique set of organisms and environmental conditions. Terrestrial ecosystems, as their name suggests, are land-based, while aquatic ecosystems are water-based. Terrestrial ecosystems can be found on every continent, from the dense forests of the Amazon to the vast deserts of the Sahara. Each of these ecosystems is shaped by a variety of factors, including climate, geography, and the interactions between different species. Aquatic ecosystems, meanwhile, cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface and are home to a staggering diversity of life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. Within these two broad categories lies a breathtaking spectrum of habitats, each shaped by factors like climate, geography, and the passage of time. The climate of a region can have a profound impact on the types of plants and animals that can survive there, while geographic features like mountains, rivers, and valleys can create unique microhabitats over time. These factors can lead to the development of entirely new ecosystems as species adapt to changing conditions and new opportunities arise, whether it's the towering peaks of the Himalayas, the vast savannas of Africa, or the vibrant coral reefs of the Pacific. Each ecosystem is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Among the most important and diverse terrestrial ecosystems are forests. These magnificent expanses of greenery are not just a collection of trees, but complex living systems that support a myriad of life forms. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, forests provide habitat, food, and shelter to countless species. They are the backbone of biodiversity on our planet. These lungs of the Earth cover about 30% of the planet's land surface and play a critical role in regulating our climate. By absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen into the atmosphere, forests help to maintain the delicate balance of gases that make life possible. They act as giant sponges, soaking up carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, and mitigating the effects of climate change. Without forests, our planet would be a much harsher place to live. Forests come in many forms, each with its own unique characteristics. From the towering conifers of the boreal forests to the sprawling mangroves along tropical coastlines, the diversity of forest types is astounding. Each type of forest has adapted to its environment in remarkable ways, creating unique ecosystems that are finely tuned to their surroundings. Tropical rainforests found near the equator are characterized by their dense canopies, high rainfall, and incredible biodiversity. These forests are often referred to as the jewels of the earth because of their unparalleled richness in species. The dense canopy of a tropical rainforest can be so thick that it blocks out most of the sunlight, creating a dark and humid environment on the forest floor. These forests are home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species, making them vital hotspots of life on Earth. From brightly colored birds and insects to elusive mammals and reptiles, the variety of life in tropical rainforests is staggering. Many of these species are found nowhere else on the planet, making the conservation of these forests critical for maintaining global biodiversity. The plants in these forests are not just beautiful, they are also sources of medicines, food, and other resources that are invaluable to human societies. Protecting these green lungs of the Earth is essential for the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Oceans, the blue heart of the planet. Covering over 70% of Earth's surface, oceans are the lifeblood of our planet, regulating climate, generating oxygen, and providing food for billions of people. These vast interconnected bodies of saltwater are teeming with a diversity of life that rivals even the most vibrant rainforests. From microscopic plankton to giant whales, the ocean is an underwater wonderland of breathtaking beauty and complexity. The importance of balance. Ecosystems are not just collections of different species, they are intricate webs of life where each organism plays a vital role in maintaining the overall balance. Imagine a delicate mobile with each element carefully suspended, counterbalancing the others. This is the delicate equilibrium that exists within an ecosystem. Ecosystem services. Nature's gifts ecosystems provide us with a wide range of essential services, often referred to as ecosystem services. These services are the foundation of human well-being and are essential for a healthy planet. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, our lives are inextricably linked to the health and functioning of ecosystems. Biodiversity, the variety of life on Earth, is essential for the health and resilience of ecosystems. Just as a tapestry is made more beautiful and resilient by the variety of its threads, ecosystems are stronger and more adaptable when they are home to a wide array of species. Humans are deeply intertwined with the natural world. We depend on ecosystems for our very survival, drawing sustenance, resources, and inspiration from the intricate web of life that surrounds us. Yet our relationship with nature is complex, marked by both positive and negative impacts. We have the power to protect and restore ecosystems, but we also have the capacity to disrupt and destroy them. The evidence of our impact on ecosystems is all around us. Deforestation driven by agriculture, logging and mining is stripping the planet of its forests at an alarming rate. This loss of habitat has devastating consequences for countless species, pushing many to the brink of extinction. The mausoleums lungs of the planet is losing ground every day, its rich biodiversity under threat. Restoring the balance. Despite the challenges we face, there is still hope for the future of our planet's ecosystems. By acknowledging our impact and taking action to restore the balance, we can create a more sustainable and harmonious relationship with the natural world. Then I'm at 4, or action is now, and every individual has a role to play. Everyday heroes. Actions for a healthier planet. Protecting our planet's ecosystems may seem like a daunting task. A challenge too vast for any one person to make a difference. But the truth is, even small actions, multiplied by millions, can create a ripple effect of positive change. Each of us has the power to become an everyday hero for our planet, making choices that contribute to a healthier, more sustainable future. A global movement. Joining forces for change. Individual actions are essential, but to truly address the complex environmental challenges we face, we need to join forces and work together as a global community. By collaborating, sharing knowledge, and supporting organizations dedicated to conservation, we can amplify our impact and create a powerful movement for change. Investing in our future. The economics of conservation. Protecting ecosystems is often seen as an expense, a cost to be borne for the sake of the environment. However, this perspective ignores the immense economic value that healthy ecosystems provide. Investing in conservation is not just an ethical imperative, it is also sound economic policy, securing our well-being and prosperity for generations to come. Our shared future. Guardians of the living earth. We've journeyed from the deepest oceans to the lush rainforests, explored scorching deserts and vibrant coral reefs. We've witnessed the intricate web of life that connects every living thing on this planet, the delicate balance that sustains us all. We've seen the profound impact humans have on ecosystems, both positive and negative, the power we possess to disrupt and destroy, but also to heal and restore. A tapestry worth preserving. Imagine a world where forests teem with life, where oceans sparkle with vibrant coral reefs, where clean air and water are cherished gifts, and where the diversity of life on Earth continues to inspire wonder and awe. This is the future we can create. A future where humans and nature thrive in harmony,